Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a chocolate mille feuille. It will be layers of puff pastry and chocolate mousse. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To make this chocolate mille feuille, cut puff pastry into rectangles. Place these rectangles on a lined baking sheet. With a fork, poke holes into the puff pastry. This is to prevent the dough from puffing up too much. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of caster sugar over the puff pastry. Place a piece of parchment paper over the dough. Next, add a piece of tin foil. And then add a second pan over. This again will help prevent the dough from puffing up too much. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Remove the pan, then the tin foil, and lastly the parchment paper. Then place back into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until the pastry is golden brown. Allow the pastry to cool completely. I used the chocolate mousse when I made my TikTok recipes. I'll link that video. I just placed the chocolate mousse into a piping bag which was fitted with a star nozzle. And I piped all along each puff pastry. I then added another layer of puff pastry and piped some more chocolate mousse on top. Continue doing this for all the layers. With a small brush, I added some gold luster dust on top. Enjoy a chocolate mousse mille feuille.